Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at my sticker subscription from Krissyanne Designs. For those who are keeping score, this is subscription 2 of 12. Recycling. So it looks like we've got aliens. Looks like aliens. I did forget my earbuds again, so hopefully the volume is all right. We've got hollow foil, I love that. So we've got an alien in the moon, like a hammock. And we're beaming up the spaceship. And there's an astronaut with a star. Those are cute. All right, now we've got the rest of our stickers. So we have The Only Star for Me, Our Love is Weird, Reach for the Stars, You're Out of This World, Feel Free to Pivot. I'm not, oh, wait. I've got something special. Let's go for a spin. Got Hugging, Empty Without You, It's a Big Crater, Time to Go Home. We're leaving in 3, 2, 1. There's a meteor. That's cute. All right, and we've got Torn Pieces. We've got some boxes. Prepare for Strange Activity. 3, 2, 1, blast off. I need some space. And now we've got circles. Peace out. Let's go. Another piece out. That one's small. And then we've got days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways and a month of numbers. And we've got some more doodles or deco, whatever you want to call them. And now we've got some more. And a bunch of planets. And some craters. And the sun. More boxes. Captain's log, that's funny. Just Believe. And we've got some more boxes. So it's a pretty good subscription. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 sheets just like last time, and 3 die cuts. I like the hollow foil touch. I don't really know what I'd put them on. My kids are probably going to steal them anyway. But that's it for this video. It's a quick video, which is why it was a bonus during Vlogmas. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.